Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, that today again we are going to talk about XRP. So, why it's capturing so much attention, the forces that are driving its momentum, and how it could be setting up for its next major highs. We've already set up our targets. We're about to jump in from this point, but yeah, it, we got a few days late, but setting these targets, I did a lot of maths behind it, and after that only I had these levels set for me. So one of the biggest hurdles for XRP in the recent years, they have been the regulations, but now we are finally seeing progress. So regulators are no longer just fighting crypto, they're working on building a framework that brings digital assets into the mainstream. That means clearer rules on the road, better investor protection, and more confidence for the institutions. So this convergence of traditional markets with digital markets is exactly what projects like Ripple and XRP were built for. Fast, reliable settlements on a global scale. This isn't just theory anymore. We are seeing real partnerships unfolding. Ripple has expanded into Europe, including the new banking relationships in Spain that leverage the XRP token for payments. At the same time, big names like Nasdaq are exploring the tokenization of stocks and settlement systems. And this matters because XRP's ledger was designed as a settlement layer. If large institutions begin moving into tokenized assets, XRP is perfectly positioned to play the role. This isn't just about speculation, it's about the real world utility. Cross border payments, liquidity management, and eventually the tokenized equities and assets running 24/7 on blockchain rails. Even on the charts, XRP has been battling resistance in the $3 and $3.30 range. If we get strong daily closes above that level, so we'll see potential moves toward $5. So I've already set the targets 4.74 USD, $5 and 5.76 USDs. These are just short-term targets. We'll we'll be witnessing bigger moves. So, but as you know that the journey, it won't be straight up. It will be a volatile market. The key is to stay level headed. Don't overestimate the red days and do not overestimate the green days. Long term conviction means being able to serve the short term swings. We are also heading into what many analysts call the altcoin season, with Bitcoin pushing new highs and institutional money flowing into crypto. Assets like XRP often flow with these moves. And plus, we have the rate cut expectations from the Feds, which increases the liquidity across the markets, and conditions are aligning in XRP's favor. So the regulations are shifting from resistance to cooperation. Partnerships are proving real world use cases for XRP. Technical levels are showing upside potential if the resistance breaks. And as we can see on the charts, it almost broke the parallel channel. So we'll be witnessing some big moves in coming days. And these are the reasons why many investors, and as well as I, believe that XRP could be on its way to the next highs. So thank you for watching this today's update on XRP. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more professional breakdowns. Drop a comment below for your XRP targets for this year. Thank you.